Hi guys, hello everyone. So in this video today, I'm going to show you that how to create a product in Samcart.com. So Samcart it is a shopping cart come with that which allows you to sell those products in the Samcart.com. So before for those who do not have an account of the Samcart.com, now I will give this link in the description in my YouTube. So please go through it and you have to create your account and you have to create your own product in this site only. So before I'm going to show you that how to create a product in this website. So I'm going to show you the website it as a samka.com first of all. But before you're creating this account of this samka.com, first of all you have to read all those instructions in this website. So now I'm going to show you here. Look at the system, everyone, all of you. So this was the main website of the samcart.com only. For those who, before you are creating this account of the samcart.com, see look at once all of you here. It is showing that creative product page that sells is there. But first of all, you are first of all you are creating this before you are creating this account. First of all, you have to read all those instructions very carefully and all of you. First of all, if you want to go to the demo session, there is a live webinar for free until 45 minutes only, or otherwise you have to you can click it as a try for free. So I'm going to click it as a try for free only. So now I'm going to click it as a try for free. So after the clicking it as a try for free, there are three plans are there to select any one of the plans there. So first of all, see here once all of you, pricing plans made simple is there. No, so you can choose any. You can choose your plan in one of the options below and start your 14 days free trial only. Here it is showing that 14 days free trial is there. You can you can create your own free trial until only 14 days. And now after the 14 days ends, you have to pay the rupees 49. Sorry, so $49. So I have already selected it as a $49 launch. Is there no? I have already selected. So directly now I'm going to after you're clicking it as a get started free, and after you have to enter your you have to create your content, you have to enter all those details and you have to activate the account. So after the activation of this account, you will be get the dashboard of this main samka.com. So actually I'm already created now. So that's why I'm going to showing that now I'm going to create a new product. So let's move on to the session. Everyone look at very carefully, all of you. It's a very simple guide. So I have already selected it as a product only now. So let's wait. Here it is showing that new product. This was the sample product that I have already done here now. So let's see here, all of you. This was the sample that I have already done. So it's a very simple to do, guys, all of you. Let's look at very carefully, all of you. So I am going to it's here it is showing that there is a new product. Here it is showing that new product is there. Now first of all you have to click on a new product, and after that you have to enter the name product name title. So I'm going to the type. My product name is the 50 shades of digital marketing. 50 shades of digital marketing. And I'm giving this offer. I'm giving this product in the 60% discount only. So if you want, there is a description is there. I'm going to enter this whatever I have told you now. I'm going to enter that offer only. So I'm giving this product. I'm giving this product in the 60% offer. 60% offer. I'm going to I'm going to give this I'm going to give this product in 60% only. So don't see here. I'm going to show. And after that, there is a pricing type is there now. One type there is only one type payment, one time payment or recurring or limited subscriptions or pay what you want here to showing now. So I'm selecting it as only for one time payment only. Then after that, you have to enter the product price. I'm typing this product price is 500. 500. I'm going to type in the 500 rupees. So and after that, you have to click on a creative product. Is that you have to click on creative product. Let's wait. Let's wait all be. So whatever I have typing it will be shown in here also. Let's see here all of it. And you'll be get it as a product state also. So let's see here. This was a sample. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you that this was the I have already created account now, so that's why you'll be get after creating this account, you'll be get you have your name will be there, and after that dot samcard.com products whatever you have type it as a product name here it will be shown you. So let's wait this one, and after that what see here all of the product name I have already typed in. For example, I'm type it as a 50 shades of digital marketing. So here it is showing URL is showing like this only. Whatever I have created the name title name of the product, it will be shown here only. So and I have already give this link in the description only. No. So actually, I have already what I have already told you in the whatever I have typed in the description only, it is showing like this only. So there is no need to change anything, guys. If you want to change, you can change it also. So that's why I'm not going to change. No, presently now I'm coming to the next point is that product image is now I'm going to upload it as a product image. See here, I'm going now I'm going to select it as a product image. See, let's wait. I'm going to see here. I'm going to select it as a DJ shades of digital marketing. I have already this was my cover page of the sample product. What I am creating this the product. No? So and after that, whatever I have enter the price, it will be shown like this only. And after that, there is a order summary is there. No? So you have to. There is no need to change anything. It's the order summary is the best to use. So you can enter the product text only. So I'm going to typing it as a digital products. So digital products means you can buy the product and you have to download only for the ebooks only. So that's why I'm already selecting it as a digital products only. So that and after that, whatever the types are there, there is only digital or services is there now. Digital files or upload is there. So the and after that, you have to enter the PDF upload for what you are choosing the product name is there. No? You have to upload the PDF form. So let's now I'm going to upload it as a PDF form for 50 shades of digital marketing. See, that's right. So that mean after uploading of this PDF file, you have to you have to go to the next option. Next option it has a checkout design. This was the sample that I have already done here now. So that's see here whatever I have created this sample product for that sample product name is learn WordPress from the scratch is there now. So this was the sample that I have already created here. And after you can choose any designs in this website only. So let's see here all of it. You can there is no here it is showing that digital products expiration is there or there is no need to there is no expiration. You have to select it as a no expiration date. So and after that, if you want to add a coupon codes is there no we heard did you heard about the coupon codes is there no coupon code for those who do not have a coupon code please here it is showing the coupons is there no first of all you have to go allows you to on the couple, and you can create your own coupon codes. So now I'm now going to create it as a coupon code. Okay. So and directly now I'm going to the next option. It has a checkout design. See, there is a many designs are there to there is a many designs are there to select it. So I'm going to let's wait. I'm going to show you select it as one of the example. I'm going to select here. See here once. I'm going to selecting it as a image effects is there. Now I'm going to select. So first of all, you have to check your the image effects is there. Now first of all, you have to check the image effects. It's, let's see here all of it. Feedback get like this only. It's a very simple to do, guys. First of all, same like that only. I'm going to select in this image effects is there. Now I'm going to select this image effects. See, now I'm going to selecting it as a image effects. Let's wait all of it. See, let's wait. It's a very simple, guys. I have already now I have already selected it as a design here now. So let's see one sort of it. And or otherwise you can choose any designs also. So for it is my net is slow. It is very running very slowly now. So that's why I'm going to selecting here. And after that, yeah, there is a design option is there now. So first you have to click on the design option. See, or otherwise I'm going to selecting this that option only. That option it is a image effects. And after you have to there is a you have to click on design option is there no you have to click on design option. So I'm going to click it as a design option. See, and after it you can drag anything here. So let's see here once all of you look at very carefully. So let's see here all of you. Let's see once all of you. After you have selected the checkout design, you have to click it. You have to click the design option. Here it is showing the design option is there. No? You have to click on the design option. Yeah, you have to design anything. See, I am going to upload it as my picture only. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to delete it. That's right. I'm going to delete this option only. And now I'm going to change the image again. Now I'm going to change the image. So that's now I'm going to select it as an image only. See, let's see here. Okay, it's a very simple to do, guys. There is no problem. You'll be getting profit. First of all, let's see here all of you. I'm going to delete this image, this preview image. Now I'm going to choose my image in my computer only. So let's wait all of you. Let's wait. I'm going to going to show the example it as elements of 50 shades of digital marketing. I have already typed it as a 50 shades of digital marketing. Same this one also 50 shades of digital elements of 50 shades of digital marketing. So I am going to selecting this image. Let's wait. After you have selected the image, see here all of you look at very carefully all of you once. Not sign up now. Now I'm going to change the sign up now button is there. Now I'm going to change it here. So and after that there is a settings of you have to go to the settings option or before I'm going to the option it has a settings option. There is no need to write anything in the image width or image height. So no, now there is no need to write anything in the image width or image height. So and directly now I'm going to the settings option. There is no link. So that means I'm going to add the image. That means 50 shade. I'm going to enter the title name of the product only. And after that, if you want to, you can change the background color also. So let's see. Let's wait. I'm going to show you that. Let's see here all of you. I'm going to show you. You can change the background also. So this was the sample that I want that I'm showing you here. Okay. Um, and after that, let's see here all of you. If you can increase your top padding also, you can increase your bottom padding also, and you can increase anything in this option. And after that, you have to come into and after that, you have to click on publish. Before I'm going to publish it, let's see here all of you. See, I'm going to the option it as a collection or settings. I'm going to the option it as a settings only. So there is a check on form is there, no? See here all of you. So you can add your phone number. You can add your phone number, or you can add your email confirmation, or you can add all things also. So let's see here. Now it's loading. See here, this was the sample that I've already created now. So let's wait. And after that, there is a sign up now button is this in the down of the option, there is a sign up now button is there now. So I'm going to change it as a buy now button. See here all of you. So very simple guys. You can change the button color. You can change the color of your button also. So I'm going to selecting it as only for black only. So let's wait. I'm going to show. Okay, let's wait. See, finally you got the color change in the button only. So and after that, see here all of you and after that you have to click on the publish for whatever already created this sample product only, so that's and after that directly you have to click on publish. So if you want to see, if you want to drag, you can drag it also. But now I'm not selecting it as anything also. In this collection option you can drag anything. You can drag any one of the thing also. So that's it. And not going to, now I'm not going to selecting only selecting this only, no. So directly now I'm going to click it as publish. So now I'm clicking it as a publish only. So let's wait. And after that clicking it as a publish account, your account, see whatever I have already created the sample product. Now I'm going to show the sample product only. So let's wait. Let's wait and watch everyone again. So let's see here all of you. This was a sample that I've already created the product only, you know. So and now I'm going to the option it as a payment option. See here, I'm going to the option it as a payment option. See here. See, I'm going to add this product in the added optional products is there, no? Or you can add the another products also. So that's why this was the sample I have already shown you here now. So and after that there is a upsells option is there now. See here once all of you. There is no need to do there is no need to create your upsells only. And after that you have to click you have to go to the integration option. So there is no need to change it as in the integration option also. So let's you can I'm going to select it as a substitute or I'm going to select anything, and after you have to click on next button. That means you have to please add more integration that will utilize this event. There is no need to change. There is no need. And after that, you have to fill the SEO page title names, or you can enter the SEO page title name also. Whatever I have type in the of product name in this website. I'm going to the type in as product name only of Mr. Market. I'm going to give this product in a for 60% discount. Product 60% offer. And after that, yeah, you, you can upload your image also in this for this product. I have already uploaded the image. So I'm going to upload that image only. And let's wait. Let's wait. And after that, you have to click on use this media. See, let's see here all of you. Let's watch it. Let's watch everyone. And after that, final option is there now. There is a advanced settings option is there now. So look at very carefully all of you once again. So or scripts or pixels, or you can see here all of you inbuilt any custom scripts of HTML codes is there now. If you got any code of the HTML code, you can paste it here also. So like, here only. So same like that only, whatever I have shown you already in WordPress insert headset and photos is there. No, same like that only. You can paste it the code, paste your code in this website also. So and after that there is a checkout page there. So you can create it as checkout page. Close you can create it as a closure checkout page also. And after that you have to achieve your products. No, there is no. I'm not so going to selecting anything also. So let's wait all of you. I'm going to selecting it as a see here language settings is there. No, I'm going to selecting it as only English only. There is no option in the English only. That's why I'm not going to selecting anything. And after that, you have to fill all those contact fields along. And after that, billing or shipping fields. And after that, coupon fields. And after that, order bumps or payment fields is there. No, you have to pay enter all those details. And after that, monthly fields and other fields are there. And after that, water summary products also there. and you have to summary page product fields is there, and you have to enter all those details, and after that finally you have to there is a, here it is showing that you have to error text is there. Now if you want to, if you want, you can type the error also. So and after that now I'm not going to select everything, and after that you have to click on save those images. See here all of you. Let's wait. There is no need to, there is no nothing to, there is nothing to fill in the options only. So that's right. And after that, finally you have to click on the save button. Save button is then first of all you have to click on save button. That's right. See here all of you. Let's wait. That's right. Simple. This was the sample that I wanted, that I have shown you now. That's all, guys. It's a very simple, guys. Let's see here all of you. Finally, what I have done. Finally, I have done this sample product only. Now I'm going to show you here. Just view the page of whatever I have created the sample product in now only. So let's wait. I'm going to show you. Okay, let's wait. That means Astray only have already created this account. Also. That's why I'm going to show you now only. So and after that, see here all of you. Whatever I have created this sample product only. Now I'm going to show you the few product. Let's wait. That's all, guys. It's a very simple to be done. So and after that, you see here you have to click on view page. That whatever I have already created sample pages now. So let's see here all of you. Whatever actually I have already told you now, URL is there. In the URL you have whatever you have created the account, and you have created this account of the samcar.com, your name will be there in first one only, and after that dot samcar.com, and after that whatever you have entered the title name of the product, they will be shown your product name also here only. So that's all, guys. It's a very simple to do, guys, for everyone. That's all. Try to practice, everyone. For those who do not have an account of the samcar.com, I'm going to give this link in the description only, and try to create your account, and you have to, after the completion of your free trial, you have to pay, you have to pay the plan only. So that's all, guys. Today's topic is that. But those who are having any doubts about regarding about this topic of samcar.com, how to create a product, please comment me in my YouTube channel, everyone, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone, and click a bell icon from here. That's all, guys.